but life is tiring. I only understand it now why abantu bezibulala. They deal with so much to a point ukuthi abanayo into yoku me time. Ayikho into ebuhlungu but njengokuthi utext umuntu wakho
Sure.
WhatsApp.
Sure.
After boma 20 minutes umtextile.
Sure.
Umbone efaka status.
Hey.
Kodwa angaka reply. Yo.
What about evuke ekseni akarespondanga good night but status it 30 minutes ago.
But social media will kill us.
Ave kubuhlungu ukuphila kuma standard wabantu abanganandaba na.
But kunabantu besifazane on social media.
Sure.
Whereby umuntu une following eningi.
Sure.
Leso sikhathi ulwa namadoda. Utshela abafazi bangawancenga amadoda.
Smooth.
But angazafaka avala ikamera uya ngamadolo endodeni yakhe aguqa lethe ukudla ngetray.
Yo smooth.
Atshela abafazi ukuthi bangahlonipha amadoda abo.
Athi amadoda
izinja.
Ayikho into ebuhlungu ngangeli yokuthi uyazi ukuthi partner yakho i-addicted kangakanani efonini. Kodwa mawuyitexta ithatha 3 hours ukurespond.
Mabunda.
Inkinga yethu is that we have people that are more focused on the destination than enjoying the journey. Kanti sometimes death might be waiting for you. Good destination. Greetings South Africa. This is Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. As always, I'm not alone. You know, Puti. Sbuda de Buddha. Sukren Puti.
Dibunda sinkren mfethu no right.
Right.
No siyabonga sibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. Sesikhona we are here. Yeah, we've showed up. Siyabonga bafethu, we are on episode 16.
Episode 16, and I've noticed but we are still under 9,000 subscribers lapha kwa YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Let's get it to 10 bafethu.
Yeah,
let's get it to 10. Say 10k.
Besina how many performance push a Real Talk?
Push a Real Talk siku 8,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's 1,000 different.
Yeah, it's 1,000. It's 1,000. Takes a lot, eh?
Hey, yeah, no, hey, bafethu. No, siyabonga. Siyabonga nichube njalo bafethu nisubscribe and comment. Nichube njalo ni share. Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu man bafethu and ikuyisifiso sethu njengoba esishilo nasekuqaleni is to grow this platform ikhule. And yeah, and also ningakhohlwa bafethu kusithandazela uNkulunkulu asipha amandla because it takes a lot bafethu.
Showing up here.
Yeah, it's beyond these things, cameras, yeah, nani yabo, but siyacela bafethu abakhona ukuthandaza bambiza uNkulunkulu ithi madoda Anyakaze Sumuzi uNkulunkulu nawa sicela wapha amandla.
Yes sir.
Yeah.
But
sure.
I feel like let's get straight to it. The Ngifuna siyokhuluma namhlanje about the topic that I had wished that we can talk about the other day. But I feel like we can continue. Indaba ye social media.
Sure.
To say social media can make you and at the same time it can destroy you.
Yeah.
The past 2 weeks or 3 weeks or so, there's been a very trending story between Ukaitin McKenzie, the minister, and also the guys from the Open Chats podcast.
Yeah.
So now intenzekile bhuti ukuthi ke kuye kwalandwa izinto lezi Ukaitin McKenzie wake was post up dala before. You get what I'm saying? And now they keep on surfacing. So I wanted us to go and talk and say, be careful of izinto ipostayo. And number 2, be careful of what you consume from social media.
Yeah.
Ngoba kunabantu mango that make themselves to become a garbage or a dustbin.
Sure.
They just consume everything. They are unable to select. And the danger is, there's a song that is very trending also. I want to also add that to the topic.
Sure.
I'm not against criticizing. The other day no yabona le ngoma iya trend. But ngathi ake ngiyizwe le ngoma lena. Believe me, I was offended when I was listening to the song. I don't know ukuthi bani eyeMaskandi kuthiwa ngeke ngokuncengo yoncengo, something like that. There's that part. And then this made me to realize, say, someone that listens to that, a trend kube nokuqabana ku relationship le yakiyo, avele afake le ngoma or apply lezi zinto ezishiwo ile ngoma. Angazi if it makes sense, because whether we like it or we don't, put what we see, what we listen to, it affects our behavior. Abantu esibalandelayo ku Facebook, ku TikTok, ku YouTube, they affect our way of thinking and our way of doing things.
Yeah, but bless you.
Hallelujah.
Hey, but this is deep, man.
Sure.
This is deep. Indaba your social media, that is why, but I always tell people there's something what we call algorithm.
Sure.
Algorithm, the more lokubukela,
sure,
ikufida lento oyithandayo.
Sure.
Yabona nje manga mhlawumbe kunongoma oyithandile.
Sure.
Wayibona kwa TikTok or kwa Facebook, like algorithm is gonna feed you those things.
Yeah.
You understand? So unfortunately, vele puti, the truth is indaba ye social media does plays a huge role, either negative or positive. That is why puti mina kunento engivama ukisho ngithi mina kwa social media uNkulunkulu khona,
sure,
no Satan ukhona.
Yes sir.
And mina I believe kunama content creator,
sure,
that uSatan awagcobile,
sure,
impact impilo zabantu in a negative way.
Yes sir.
Bese kuba khona nama content creator agcotshe uNkulunkulu,
yeah,
lezi ezifana nathi. So yabo thina we dish out, man, give you wisdom, siyaphilisa thina, yabona. So that is why puti unokubona na kuma comment sections fana ne video nje thize engifakile nenini,
sure,
bacishe bangidla, ngifaka izolo bacishe bangidla abantu lapha kwa TikTok whereby it's one of the clips, angisho siyawashare ama clips lapha kwa TikTok, whereby we're saying khona ukuthi ungavumi ukuba single.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Yes, don't permanent indaba ukuba single, be single in a specific time.
Sure.
People are after me there.
But when I got to get used to this thing, I came after you after my copy.
Yeah.
Now I come again after you, people are forever coming after you.
Yeah, but so but at the end of the day, that's when I realized every time when you're doing something good,
sure,
expect ukuthi kunabantu abazolwa nawo.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So in social media puti kunjalo.
Sure. You know puti, I think I need to warn people in terms of social media. The fact that something is said by someone that has a huge following,
sure,
and it's said by someone that flashes cars or houses on social media, it doesn't make it to be correct. Angazi if it makes sense. Ngoba sinabantu ku social media abangana backbone man, abangazazi ukuthi bamelane, what is it that they believe for, what is it that they stand for. Umuntu uyafika criticizer, bavumelana naye. Ngifike mina ngise the opposite of like criticism, bavumelana nami. Angazi if it makes sense. So which means that it's very very important to understand, to say okay, this is me, these are my belief system. Ngoba kumanje puti into ebhlungu ukuthi abantwana kulezizukulwane lesi abasakhuliswa abazali, bakhuliswa i social media.
That's true.
Angazi if it makes sense. So how I so wish we can be careful of the role that social media has entered into homes. For example, man, you can enter into a family meeting or ungene in a family good dining room. The first thing that you will notice, akekho khulumisa omunye, basemafonini konke.
Yeah, that's true.
Angazi if it makes sense. And lento igcine iaffect even kuma relationships. Uthola ukuthi unomuntu wakho but soloko nadibana the only Ukraine, the next thing ka TikTok, no conversation or anything like that. Angazi if it makes sense. So it has killed that bond. Yeah.
As put so ngenile vele and nama I need to vele ngithi. As put you are speaking the truth, man. I've seen this thing kuma restaurant.
Sure.
Whereby abantu baphumile.
Sure.
The reason why baphumile, it's because they want to spend time together.
Sure.
But uthola abantu benzani bapressana namafoni and abanakani nani. Ave kubhlungu bhuti ukuthi umuntu othandana naye angakwazi ngendaba ukuthi noma nobabila ni spend isikhathi ndawonye ngoba imicondo namehla suka angekho noba uthu. Into ebhlungu ngalento ukuthi lo muntu othandana naye wazi impilo zabantu ku social media ukudlula wena osukuthandana naye. That's the danger of social media. Whereby couples are married for 10 years. That is why mina bhuti I believe social media lento yama Facebook nama TikTok, the more we spend time on it, isenza siphile nama stranger endlini. Even nabantwana esibazali asibazi. Uyomangala umntana wakho kuthiwa wenza into ethize, you'll be shocked. Ubuza lo muntu ngoba ngimfundisanga la ekhaya lento yena uyazelapha lento le, because social media does that. That is why but if we can dive deep, investigate. But I mean I will tell you the truth as we are real talking here.
We are real talking.
Here's the thing mfowethu. The more you spend time on it, you grow. Angiphinde. Uma uspend isikhathi entweni uyakhula kuleyo nto. Ngisho ukuthini, if inobabili nishadile, you spend time together, you grow. Ukuthi nazana. But uma ngabe nithandana nisemafonini omunye ubusy ngalokho abusy ngakho, obvious angenazana, you will grow kwazeni indaba zabantu lento enihlanganisile iphele.
You know bhuti usakhuluma so, are you aware ukuthi kunama couples that bond kakhulu ku social media than in real life? Uthola ukuthi lo makale lo ale indlela abakhuluma ngayo so amazing, but the minute baba yi2 they can't talk to each other. Bayathula. The only focus it's on the phones. Number 2, let me say this thing. I'm sure we are really talking. Ayikho into ebhlungu ngangeli yokuthi uyazi ukuthi partner yakho i-addicted kangakanani efonini, kodwa mawuyi texta ithatha 3 hours ukurespond.
Mabunda.
No, but it's the reality. Sakulesikhathi siyizo mawunaye uhlezi ala,
but
maseni apart. Mawumtexta uthatha isikhathi ukurespond, but you know this person is always on the phone. You see the dangers. Then umbuzo uthi ke igcina erase ama suspicion ukuthi ukhuluma nobani. And you know what, there are people in fact that let me be honest with you, there are people in fact who are on social media but they don't talk to anyone. Bakhona ku social umuntu addicted ku scroller. Someone can spend 5 hours, a whole 5 hours or 6 hours
not talking
to anyone go WhatsApp.
There
are people like that. Into abayenza baya scrolla nje kuphela, wena uthi online umuntu kodwa akakhulumi namuntu, ubusy nama lentuzana nama comments, ubusy. But i-text yakho noma ingene uyayibona textile andlula aqhubeke. Dangers of social media.
As mawusakhuluma kanje I've then into engiyibonile ayikho into ebhlungu but njengokuthi utext umuntu wakho ku WhatsApp after boma 20 minutes umtextile umbone efaka status kodwa angaka-reply.
What about evuke ekseni akarespondanga good night but the status it 30 minutes ago?
But social media will kill us.
Okay. Coming back to the negative impact of social media, but how about partners that cannot express each other's feelings? Unaye umuntu hlezi naye akakutshela ukuthi uzobuhlungu, akakutshela ukuthi ukhalelana, akakutshela ukuthi uyagowish or anything like that, but status it sure life is tough. I wish I can come back. I'm not feeling okay. with you're not feeling okay, why can't you just tell me who is that person that you're trying to get their attention from? Okhona ukumtshela via status kodwa nginawo.
Yazi bhuti lento oyishoyo, when a partner is expressa kuma status but angazi express kuwena.
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi uthemba ukuze expressa on public.
Sure.
Than you as a partner.
Mango, mina ke angicabanga ukuthi wena uze expressa public. Mango khona umuntu afuna ukumtshela lapha afuna abe concerned
kule public
khona kose amaziya lapha ozo texta lapha I know what's wrong ngeke man there's someone afuna ukugrab attention. Why can't you just tell me straight ukuthi mfethu I'm going through 1 2 3 4 I'm not feeling uye ku status nginawe
now and
ukhona imambana ngali ikhona imambana okose kubuze izovela lapha na are you okay, is everything okay,
and yazifana na ifuthi.
Sure.
Ifana nale ukuthi ni happy nomuntu wakho.
Sure.
Ayikho intembi.
Sure.
Ahamba yokhala ku status, ashaya broken heart. Kusho ukuthi khona lo amkhalele amlimazile athandana naye.
Oh. Yeah.
But mina I won't lie to you.
Sure.
Abantu basikhomba ama signs ukuthi ba cheat. There's no way si happy so too.
Then
wena ushaya broken heart kwa status. Si right mfethu. But masithandana injabulo yakho iqhamuka kumina. I'm the well of your happiness angishaya isilungu. I'm your well of your happiness. Kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi wena sijabulile bese uyokhala ku status?
Doesn't make sense.
It doesn't. And nenye but what hurts me.
Sure.
Ave kubhlungu but mawuthandana nomuntu or uku friendship nomuntu.
Sure.
Here's the thing. Everything that hits me, you are the first person to know.
Sure.
Whether it's a friend or umuntu othandana naye.
Sure.
But mangizoshaya into ngahambe ngiyoyiposta ngingakutshelanga, it tells something. That is why social media, as much as mabunda inabo ubu negativity, but at some point yasikhomba amaxoki abantu esiphila nabo.
You know ifana nane budi. Ifana nalento yokuthi umuntu alive aphile two different lives
or
double life.
Sure.
Kune life yakhe ku social media bese kube na life yakhe esiyaziyo.
Sure.
What do I mean by that? Uthola ukuthi umuntu ku social media portray as successful. But ngale ku inbox usicela ama airtime.
Then which is
which? Because into oyiposta noma ngathi you're confusing the enemy mfethu. There is no way mango you can portray a successful life and then at the same time at the other side you're portraying something. But it's better to be genuine than to fake something that you are not. So inkinga with our lives mango ukuthi we have so many young people that are depressed today. But depressed yinto abayibona ku social media. Ganti social media mvangeli eyokposta only the good times. No one posts the bad times. No one posts the struggles abanazo lapha social media
in real life.
For example, someone can post imoto intanga yakho mang ipost uthi qeda ukuthenga imoto. Usibone wena uthi at my age intanga zami zithenga imoto, intanga zami zihlala kuma apartment, but abakutsheli le intanga zokuthi benzani ema side. Akakho umuntu but oposta process yakhe. It's only few people on social media that I know that show you the process. Yokuthi ke this is my income, this is what I do for income, this is what you get what I'm saying? But Tina udepress umuntu ongayazi source of income yakhe. Into ekudepressa ukubona ama results wakhe uthi usibantu banihlale emotweni right, abasibantu bayishintsha imoto every 3 or 4 months bayishintsha, abasibantu umntana sekhaya hlukana nokusicompare nabantu abaku social media. Ku social media futhi uyakhona ukcriticize umuntu for ukuthi wena udla amawodwana aphinde yena adle lapha lokho offer adla ikhabishi kodwa la afika lapha ahleke wena
namawodwana.
That's social media.
As a prophet mfethu.
Sure.
Social media has taught me something.
Sure.
I didn't understand the definition ukuthi yini inyoka.
Sure.
A snake.
Sure.
Number 1, inyoka bhuti inamalimi awu2.
Sure.
Uma ikhamisa kunelimi awu2 khona elinye. That's when I understand amakuthiwa umuntu uyinyoka. But ziningi inyoka kwa social media.
Yo.
As we speak now usho nalento ukuthi there are people abaphila impilo phiqiphiqi.
Sure.
Akuvezele ikhala yobuyelo kungaze kucima ikamera aveze ikhala yobumnyama.
Sure.
But kunabantu besifazane on social media.
Sure.
Whereby umuntu une following eningi.
Sure.
Leso sikhathi ulwa namadoda utshela abafazi bangawancenga amadoda abo.
Smooth.
But angazafaki avala ikamera uya ngamadolo endodeni yakhe aguqa lethu kudla ngetray.
Yo, smooth.
Atshela abafazi ukuthi bangahlonipha amadoda abo.
Athi amadoda
izinja kodwa lapha kwakhe indoda yakho uyitreata njengenkosi.
Yo,
even men akhona amaphica ngamadoda on social media whereby discredit amadoda ukuthi abangabathanda abafazi babo baningi abafazi yet yena maka nomfazi wakhe umfazi wakhe uyamthanda.
Yo,
but that's what mina ngizokutshela ziningi inyoka. I didn't understand makuthiwa kunenyoka on social media and enye into engishayo inyoka mabunda.
Sure.
Ungayibona ihamba phansi uyitshela ukuthi angekwazi ukugibela isihlahla. Uyibona ngoba inanyawo.
Sure.
But guess what mfethu iyakhona ayikho inyoka into engakhona ukuyenza.
And you know what's the painful thing about social media?
Sure.
Is that it has influenced our dynamics with family. In such a way yokuthi ke we fail to appreciate our own families.
Yeah.
In the name of comparing our families with the families ku social media. Angazi if it makes sense. For example, kunama families futhi abaphilela content. Remember, there are people mvangeni content it's their source of income.
They will do anything
for content.
Kungena imali.
Even if umuntu azi ukuthi no yaba abuse umngam. But for content ukuthi kwamele sibukeke sikahle phambi kwabantu ngizomphatha kahle. But camera the minute it goes off ayi man mango kunamadoda mina ngiyakholwa I believe kunamadoda mfethu aza nama rose aphethe ama 100 rand nama 50 rand afike aguqe ngadola anikeze umkakhe lapha thina sibone sijabula sithi what a gentleman sonke sifuna ukushada ile ndoda le the minute it camera icima indoda ithatha ama 100 rand wayo back ngazongihlanyela. I'm telling you abanye ku social media mvangeli abanye ku social media basicla but ngabo Johnny Walker kanti bona bahamba bayoharisha imoto bazo appear as successful. Uyadlala wena
as a prophet ngiphathwa into I wish there was water here but ngathi amanzi awethu
sponsorship ngamanzi.
Yeah, sifuna amanzi. Now ngizophatha into aba live bathi into aba it's hiccup.
Yeah.
But
sure
ekungcono mfethu uphila impilo yeqiniso. Unfortunately abantu noma izizukulwane esiphila kiso kulesikhathi samanje.
Sure.
Isizukulwane esafuna embeza. But kudala uma kwenzeka into ethize embi.
Sure.
Abantu bebazwela.
Not anymore.
Abantu bebakhala kanye nawe.
Sure.
But kulesizukulwane sanamhlanje abantu into ekhalisa inyembezi bayenza kube into yokuhlekwa.
Phenduka ibe content.
Ifana nalento nje ukuthi kufe kuhambe umuntu omdala ubaba uGumbi.
Sure.
There's a guy here on TikTok bathu banu Max or what. Tholakala ukuthi udelela there's a word nje wakhulumile. Yeah. Thina futhi sasazi ukuthi mangabe kushoniwe noma kuthiwa niyadlala ningabantwana. Kungaze kuchamuka iheshe or nabantu bomngcwabo nemoto. Mangabe mhlambe bobambe amanzi uyachogeka ume until izindlulu. Mangabe mhlambe bohleka manje ize indlulu. You understand? You stay wherever you are makuzondlula ibhokisi noma kushoniwe. Why? Because of inhlonipho yokufa komuntu. It was respected in a high level.
Sure.
But in our time mfethu in our time
Eish.
whereby ukushona komuntu omdala umuntu akhulume nje sinoma sikanjani.
Eish, bhuti.
That is why putting it is social media and ilento oyishoyo bhuti ukuthi abantu they can do anything for i-content as much as it is paying. That's why imali bhuti imali uma izolenda emntwini wrong it will make you ukuthi wenze ezinye izinto.
You know what yini into engizwe ubuhlungu futhi kulesikhathi esiphila kiso.
Sure.
Noma umuntu eshonile, let's say there's a car accident that took place.
Sure.
Or there's umuntu akhona odubulekile whatsoever.
Sure.
Before the family can be even informed, kunabantu that will rush to post things banibani sekashonile. Ifamily ayikazi lutho mango. That's how social media has destroyed us and how it has made us to lose our morals man. To a point ukuthi uthi uyandlula uze sobona ngefone uthi awusibanibani sekashonile. Njani? We are so rushing to becoming the first one to breaking news. It was emang kumanje mfethu umntana angakidnap manje so abantu bavele ngemoto, someone will rather take out their phone
and shoot
no
than
help noma kungathiwa ukuthi kunomuntu oshayo manje manga isizukulwane esiphila kizo kudala uma kungathiwa umuzi kaSibanibani kuyasha bese namabhakethe sizocima manje ngamane sikhipha amafoni sithi ku live from Sibanibani ngabe Sibanibani kuyasha
ukhiphelana ifoni
ngabe uyasiza. It mango you know like I'm sorry, as much as social media has its own positive stuff, but we have taken this thing out of control. We have turned this place to become a horrible place. You know mango, to show how much social media can be draining. If you can say for 30 minutes ugo social media scroll nje, you come back with your mind ihlanga usibuzo ihlanganiswa kanti is social media.
Yazi bhuti mfethu, I mean I'm gonna be honest with you.
Sure.
uNkulunkulu khona.
Sure.
And without yena impilo yakhathaza.
Kakhulu
bhuti. Bhuti impilo yakhathaza mfethu.
Sure.
Mina ngizokutshela iqiniso.
Sure.
You get tired in life.
You do.
And one of the key things that people abayilahlayo in our time.
Sure.
And I think now I need to repent on that bhuti. Bhuti yazi ukuthi empilweni unyaka it's 12 month days 365.
Sure.
Kunezinto obhekana nazo.
Sure.
Kufanele bhuti ukuthi in the middle of the year,
sure,
6 months, and shut down everything. Go to the mountain and pray. Abanye abathandazi baye entabeni, vala ifoni, vala yonke into.
Yahweh.
But life is tiring. I only understand it now why abantu bezibulala. They deal with so much to a point ukuthi abanayo into yobu me time. Can I say this thing bhuti? Ngizodedela kuwena. Imoto I discovered ukuthi iyakwazi ukufa ihamba.
Sure.
Akusiyo yonke imoto efa ngoba imile. But imoto iyakwazi ukufa kuvuza oil lokuyahamba.
Sure.
Idume lokuyahamba.
Sure.
In the next 10 minutes or 20 minutes my lokuyahamba it shut down. Singabantu bhuti kunezinto esibhekana nazo. Leso sikhathi siya bleeda. Emishadweni siya bleeda. Emsebenzini siya bleeda. Nomsebenzi so tiring. Kuhle nje bhuti ukuthi uthathe leave and shut everything down. Uyobhekana noNkulunkulu nempilo yakho. Because bhuti at some point anything ekhona emhlabeni iyaseviswa.
I'm glad you went to part yokuseviswa, because that's the part that I wanted to speak about specifically. Sure. To say sivamisile uma sishumayela, uma communicate nabantu, uma motivate or whatsoever that we normally do.
Sure.
Sithi uma imoto yama city simosheka.
Sure.
idinga iMercedes kuze ilunge company Mercedes company kuze ilunge. Nawe as a human being, there are times whereby things are tough. You know, but one of the good days I woke up on a corner and then I realized ukuthi ayikho into ebuhlungu yokuthi impilo uthi uzama ukuyibamba, but kube kwangathi impilo amanzi esandleni iloku yaphuntyuka ngapha nangapha. Uthi uvimba lokhu kuvele lokhu, uthi udila ngalokhu kuvele lokhu. And that is when I realized that sometimes we need that time just to shut up, just to shut off.
Shut down everything, man.
Leave without even explaining. Yes, do not explain anything to anyone and just take a break. Cause if I'm not put, as much as we are content creators, we offer motivation. I feel like sometimes we do need that time. Last is othula khona.
Yeah.
A challenge esinayo kule insuku nayo. Ukuthi the world is so fast. To a point ukuthi we are afraid of losing relevance.
Hey. But let's trust God, man.
I'm being honest with you to say the world is so fast. So if you can spend 2 to 3 weeks,
unga show up,
the relevance that you used to have, it's so sad. More especially if you're a content creator or you're someone. Allow me to say, take a break. You do need a break. You do need to understand that there are days whereby you just can't keep up. And bafethu ngicela nisilalele bafethu. Ave kubuhlungu ukuthi, let me go back to this thing in social media. Ave kubuhlungu kuphila kuma standard wabantu abanganandaba na.
Hey.
I'll repeat.
People they don't care, man.
Mango, people they don't care. People they don't care. Umuntu yakhona mfethu ukucomenta inonsense kwinto yakho ascroll landlule kwangathi akazange enza lutho. Wena usale ne comment yomuntu kudle ngaphakathi. Kanti lo muntu lo sekandlulile seka check ivideo 5 or 6 or 7. Bafethu social media. Zimango
but yeah, this is deep. I'm still safe.
Yeah, we have about 5 minutes left.
Okay, ngibambele but but mfethu abantu bangcolile but la ngaphandle. Why am I saying that? Kunabantu abagcwele ubumuncu.
Sure.
Wena amabunda lesikhathi ugcwele ukuthula, ugcwele injabulo.
Sure.
Ugcwele ukuchichima kaNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Ubungaphathi kwakho.
Sure.
Tholakala ukuthi wena bhuti lo muntu ogcwele inzondo, that's garbage, izinto nje ezigcwele kuyena.
Sure.
And naliqinise lingazushintsha. Umuntu owenza okubi.
Sure.
Uyisitha sokuhle.
Repeat that again.
Okay. Umuntu ogcwele ububi.
Sure.
Uba yisitha sezinto ezinhle.
Sure.
Kunabanye abantu buthi babhitha. And ububhitha babo beyachichima, bafuna ukuthulela kuwe.
Yo.
Wena umangala ukuthi awu ngenza into enhle nje on public, on social media, why lo muntu akhomenta ngalendlela? Kanti but ugcwele ubusathane, ugcwele ukungcola, ufuna umuntu angathela kuyena aloka amfaka lama stains. Wena isikhathi ugcoka iskipa esimhlophe umuntu ukufaka ngama stains ezinto engcolile. You understand but so I'm sorry to say this, but that's why I said masicala ngathi as much as social media is social media, no Satan ugcwele no uNkulunkulu khona.
Mango.
I've just said it.
As a statement lesi engizoskipha manje. Ziyongizondisa ngabantu, but I'm going to say it. Social media igcwele ngeingulube. Yeah. I said it.
Yeah.
I-social media mango igcwele ngeingulube. Ingulube mango I understand ukuthi uba clean kanjani. Yona ingcolile.
Yini into special ngawo?
Why do I explain that? Kunomuntu othi yena simply because of umshado ushaye yena. uthatha ifoni seyaspreada the negativeness yomshado. Uma ezwa abantu ukuthi bajabulile emshadweni akakholwa because of yena wahluleka. Kunabantu mangomfethu abahlubuke uNkulunkulu, and njengoba bahlubuke uNkulunkulu bathatha into ukuthi uNkulunkulu aka exist ngenxa yama personal experiences wabo. Emango, do you know, I'm sorry, I'm going to say this thing again, sinokumjwayela kabi uNkulunkulu, and ekumjwayeleni kabi uNkulunkulu simcele enze izinto lesikose zenzwe ngithi. The minute angenzi lento kose yenzwe yithi sithi aka exist
kanti ukungalaleli kwethu.
Mango eput noma ngathiwa uthandaza ufaste kangakanani mawuvuka ekseni ugeza awukho umthandazo oyoyenza uthi impahla izigqokele nje
igqokele kumina.
Never noma ngathiwa ungathreatenisha uNkulunkulu kangakanani uthi uNkulunkulu, if I want you to know if that you exist, le impahla lezi ayisuke zingene emzimbeni
ngeke ukubone
lokho, ngoba uNkulunkulu wakunikeza izandla, wakunikeza nama abilities ukuthi wena uthathe bese uyagqoka. Abantu abaningi abahlubi koNkulunkulu bebanezicelo lezi bezidinga bona benze. For example, you are looking for a job sometimes only to find out that God has planted a desire for business. You're not getting a job, you're thinking that God does not love you. And sometimes God can close a door that he knows that your destiny is not gonna be in that direction. And akwenze uqosho ungenzanga lutho. But wena, your frustration and your anger and your attachment to your job ikwenza ukuthi uNkulunkulu akekho. Kanti in reality, if you were to look at the lento obhekana na lento omunye umuntu abhekana na, you'd notice that lento obhekana na it's far much better than what makhelwane abhekana na. But our problem on social media, we take our own personal experiences, we generalize them. The fact ukuthi ekhaya kushayekile ekhaya kunalokho nalokho, that means everyone is going through that. Perfect. Listen to me very carefully. Hlukanani nabantu that spread negativity on the things that are good. For example, I'll put this one. Umshado into enhle evela kuNkulunkulu. Inkinga abantu abangena kulento umshado. Inkinga wena akusiyo lento kuthiwa umshado ekushayile. Yilo muntu awuthandana naye. Because the very same shado obitha kuwe, it's sweet to someone.
Hey but asivale ngalendlela.
Sure.
Mina but as much as nginyakazisa.
Sure.
As much as ngiphilisa abantu.
Sure.
Sisibhizi silapha abantu.
Sure.
There's something uNkulunkulu akayikhuluma kumina.
Sure.
He said to me, at the end of the day, son, into ebaluleke kakhulu kuwena ukuthi mina ngazi ukuthi wena right na. Ngingakusebenzisa ukukusebenzisa. But ma ungekho right, it matters to me.
Sure.
What am I saying, but there's a person out there who's a wife.
Sure.
There's a person out there who's a husband.
Sure.
Yonke imindeni irela kuyena.
Sure.
But mntana seka ungizwe kahle. uThixo unendaba nokuthula kwakho, unendaba nenjabulo kuwena more than anything.
Sure.
Because as a wife, if you are not okay, you cannot supply to these kids. The only thing also you supply is bitterness to these kids. The only thing also you supply is bitterness to your husband. It is better ukuthi ushut down everything. Uyohlangana noNkulunkulu uhlale naye akunikeza amandla so that you can be able to face the world. But abantu bakhathele. And to a point ukuthi they are busy. Okay, sesingenile vele kulento, it's fine. Kwakuno Maria bekahlele inyaweni zika Jesu. Omunye abhize kitchen. Lo apheka enza in. Lo ophekayo wa complain wathi why lona ngenzi lutho nani. That's when I discovered but uThixo akanandaba nobubhizi bakho.
but unendaba ukuthi uhleli kuye na. Because once wahlala kuyena uzoba nokuthula ube nenjabulo.
Sure.
There are people out there amasotsha alimele empilweni, abantu abalimele bhuti balinyazwa ukuthi babhizi kakhulu abasanasi isikhathi nabo noNkulunkulu so that bazoba restoreka lento ekuthiwa ukuthula.
Hey, mango, you know bhuti usakhuluma so. I'm reminded bhuti ukuthi mawufika esibhedlele. Let's say you've been involved accident.
Sure.
Then uthathe uyise esibhedlele. The very first thing that most of the time I notice that doctors they become concerned about is to stop the bleeding.
Hey.
Now they know the more you lose blood, the more you will lose life. Our problem, Mango, is that we have people that are functioning yet they are still bleeding. And unfortunately is one, they end up bleeding to the wrong people. Bafethu, impilo yinde.
Hey, life is long.
Life is long. And you will always have something to fight. Get rest.
Hey.
I repeat,
Hey.
get rest.
Hey.
Mfethu, the times as a high school, your concern was to say, I need to pass this exam. After exam, manje so yasebenza, you need to provide the guy. Mfethu, sometimes you need to take time and say, you know what, I don't want to fight. I do not want to over-exhaust myself. If analalento mvangeli ukuthi kunabantu abashadile, they are married or they are partners, but they no longer have time for themselves. The only time that they have is for children. People, man, who have now become strangers, who no longer enjoy each other's company. Ngoba ikampani yabo ilightana pa makufika abantwana. Because for the past 10 years the focus was not on the mother, the focus was not on the wife. Ansajoli
Kahle.
senikhulisa abantwana senaphenduka naba abazali. Yes, ningabazali, but when are you gonna have time for yourselves, for each other? It's like labantu puti that are so busy trying to make life to be perfect, yet they are not enjoying the perfect thing that life is. But can I say this thing, Mang? There is one thing I love about our journey. From last Kale corner, Mang, to where we are.
Sure.
In as much as it has not been easy.
That's true.
But there's one thing I know. We enjoyed the journey.
Yeah, that's it.
We had fun along the way.
Yeah.
Gumanje mang, we don't have proper mics, but we are enjoying ourselves using a phone.
Locus now.
You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
Inkinga yetu is that we have people that are more focused on the destination than enjoying the journey. Kanti sometimes death might be waiting for you. Good destination. Ngoba kunabantu mango, I'll say this thing, kunabantu that never enjoyed life eMavasiti. Focusing on getting that degree. To this day they are 6 feet under. They didn't even see their graduation day. Kuno muntu mango spend 10 years angadli, angayingaphandle, angayenzini, anga-enjoy life. Athi usavela indlu. Guess what? Indlu sekayitholile, but wahlala 2 days washona.
Is no more.
Is no more. So we are not saying become careless, but find a way to enjoy the process of your becoming. Siva, hey,
Real talk. Hey, prophet. Ayiqedeki.
mama sayicubekisa.
Real talk with amadoda anyasumuzi. Thank you so much bantwana basekhaya for tuning in. Ningakhohlwa to subscribe. For those abafuna ukusponsora
bafethu ninikele
Yeah.
nikelani so lokhu sicalile akunamnikelo ongenile inamba nje ye Capitec 0646200751 uzoyibona nje inonyiko Mabunda uMabunda ku Judas wala ekhaya uyophetha ama finances ngamangala as soon as nje uthi Capitec ufaka noma kuthiwa 50 rand noma kuthiwa 10 rand mntasekhaya and kwangathi ungenze reference mawuyifaka leya uthi real talk then we'll know ukuthi hayi no siyazi ukuthi abalandeli bethu bakwa YouTube because we are building this thing. Remember sidinga imali eningi noma kuthi 50 rand but kuya ngawe ukuthi uNkulunkulu kubusisa kangakanani. Nama 20,000 sewadinga nama 10,000 nama 100,000 futhi uma ungathi nje 100,000 next week sinomabunda shintsha yonke lento lesilanda ama camera ama broadcast landa yonke lento. So siyanithanda abantwana basikayo uNkulunkulu anibusise nisenza njalo.
Amen. Have a blessed night.